Hi beauties, welcome back. I am back with another skincare product which name is Paula's Choice Resist Barrier Repair Advanced Moisturizer. The Paula's Choice Resist. Barrier Repair Advanced Moisturizer is a highly effective skincare product designed to strengthen, smooth, and enhance your skin's delicate barrier within just 30 minutes of application. This advanced moisturizer has been clinically proven to improve the skin's barrier function, ensuring that it delivers all-day hydration while preventing moisture loss. One of the key benefits of this product is its ability to visibly firm the skin and support elasticity, which contributes to a more youthful appearance. It is suitable for all skin types and has a light lotion texture that leaves a dewy finish. The formulation of this moisturizer is enriched with 5 skin-identical ceramides, which play a crucial role in replenishing the skin's barrier. These ceramides help prevent water loss, ensuring your skin remains hydrated throughout the day. Additionally, the inclusion of tripeptide 5 is a standout feature, as it helps protect natural collagen levels and has been clinically proven to visibly reduce wrinkles. Watermelon seed oil, a nourishing and non-fragrant emollient, supports ceramide formation for a healthy skin barrier. When it comes to application, it's recommended to apply a liberal amount of this moisturizer to your face and neck. If using it during the daytime, it's crucial to follow up with SPF 30+ for added protection against UV rays. Paula's Choice has been a game changer. It effectively addresses dry skin concerns, leaving the skin thoroughly hydrated and feeling smooth. It even imparts a delightful glow to the skin. It doesn't clog pores or lead to acne breakouts. This moisturizer strikes a great balance between being lightweight and intensely hydrating. While it's not greasy and doesn't leave a heavy residue, it effectively delivers much-needed hydration to the skin. Despite having a slightly richer cream feel, it remains lightweight, making it suitable for a broad range of skin types including sensitive skin. The best point is that a little goes a long way, making it a cost-effective option. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching.